The smoke comes on, the synchro pair split 4. The synchro rolling hard. Red Arrows Life Savings dedicated James Hart to the charity Combat Step, which works for veterans' mental health, which Red Arrows have been working with the last couple of days for the Medicine Ball Challenge, and they are available next to the Red Arrows. Edith breaking first, followed by Hannah.
Wow.
Watch for the colour change as red one brings the formation around to the right, from red and blue to the one, and he turns the formation around to the right, making it even more difficult for 7 and 8. Keep that ball racing with the game as we have fantastic on the front section of the formation. Sure they're all in the right place. The sun glinting off the white fuselage and exiting out. Every way of formation is led. Holding the bank now as they come through this magnificent underside pass. And you just see the nature. And this is where they put up into a quarter vertical roll, giving you a quarter clover, moving off, tucking the aircraft in underside, departing off to their right hand side. Well, they mentioned 1, 2, 3, 6. Reconfigured into box formation now, coming in to the barrel roll. And there the boys working quite hard, Sid calling the shots, and can be a little more tricky for the chaps on the air. It takes years and years of practice. You've got to be very proficient solo pilot before you do it, and then you work your way up to different formations. Eyes now to the left as 1, 2, 3.
Cycling one goes round the wrist, yeah? See that?
So alongside Sid, up front there, Raven 2 Peter Wells, who's a very, very well-known name in the air display business. So 4 and 5 were now
amazing, huh?
For their opposition pass. Prize field now for this quarter trailer from the main formation in box. So letting that out now, easing the controls. Keep your eyes out to the right-hand side now, and you'll see Raven 4 and 5 coming in what we call battle formation. That's very much a combat formation where it enables the wingman to keep a good high open and situational awareness all around for any other conflict. And they're coming in now for their battle loop. Go over the top, the G eases a little moment, and then you keep positive G on all the way round, right about 4 foot. Just eases the power at the top of that loop, bringing on a bit more G, and you notice now 3 switches across into echelon. And there's the break. They're a lovely, delightful maneuver one.
Instant roll! As the team rolls, the left on the right hand side of Red 1 is Red 2. That is Flight Lieutenant Richard Walker. Rich is in his first year on the team, an extremely accomplished and experienced aviator and pilot. He has flown operations on both the Harrier and the Typhoon, as well as being a qualified flying instructor on the Hawk Team Mark II. As I said, 8 pilots in the display this year. There are 10 pilots on the team, so 8 in front of you now. Buster Squadron in their Lancaster. However, 617 still fly today in Royal Air Force, modern Royal Air Force with the ultra modern F-35, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is the Lightning Roll. On the far right hand side of the most, as we look at it, is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie is in his first year on the team. The smoke comes on the synchro pass, split 4, the synchro rolling hard. Red Arms like to dedicate today's heart to the charity Combat Stress, which works for veterans' mental health, which Red Arrows have been working with the last couple of days for the Medicine Ball Challenge, and they are available next to the Red Arrows.